How to make, or how I made, a standing laptop desk. Let's get into it. First, I gathered some offcuts from a shelving and cabinet unit I recently put together. I cut the scraps down to squared pieces, then glued them together to make a panel that would become the desk surface. I tried to vary the grains a little for a cool aesthetic appeal. While that glue dried, I sketched out the design of the legs on another offcut piece. Then used the bandsaw to cut it out. To get a more refined stencil for the second leg, I honed the roughness with my orbital sander. Then traced and cut the second leg from yet another offcut. With both legs rough cut, I secured the legs together with painter's tape and hot glue to use a trimming bit to make the legs identical. Then rounded the exterior edges. Back to the desk surface. While I cut it down to square, I'd like to invite you to like, subscribe, and ring the bell if you'd like a heads up when I post my next video. I really like hearing from you guys, and I'm always coming up with new projects. Anyway, back to it. Once square, I planed the surfaces flat and rounded the edges, then cut out the legs crossbeam and the lip to hold the laptop in place. With all the pieces to the puzzle ready, I sanded everything down to a final finish level. Then started to assemble. I glued the legs together first. While those dried, I secured the lip to the desk surface. With both dry, it was time to get the top and bottom put together. I measured and marked so the legs would be centered on the desk surface. Then glued them together. Once they dried, all that was left to do was final finishes. I used a varnish I found here on the local market to seal it and bring out the cool grain patterns. And voila! Thanks for watching. If you'd like a heads up when I post my next video, ring the bell, and I'd love to hear from you, so feel free to like, subscribe, and comment below.